Let's talk about homework. Homework is schoolwork that students do at home. Teachers give students homework. It is a way for students to practice. Students carry their homework home in their school bag. They work on it when they are home. A good place to do homework is at a quiet desk. You need good light and a clear space to write. You need a pencil and paper to do homework. You also need your textbook or notebook. Homework often has questions. You read each question carefully and write your answer. Some homework is about reading. You read and try to understand all the important words. Some homework is about math. You look at the numbers and try to solve each problem. Sometimes the homework is easy, and you finish it quickly. Other times, it is harder and takes more time. When the homework is hard, you can read the lesson again. You can ask a family member for help. When you finish your homework, you check it one more time. The teacher looks at the homework in class the next day. Sometimes the class talks about the answers together. Homework takes time, but it helps you learn. A little work every day helps you grow. Homework is a part of being a student. With a little time and effort every day, you can learn a lot.